Oh, morning, morning. It's me again. It's our favorite adventure, Mamu. Out on the road, we heading up to the property in Konopia. Have some, check it out. Have some plants, something I want to plant. And I have to finish sweeping. So there we go. We're on the move. Alright, guys. Well, we touch on the property here. And I must say, well, let's see more corn on them. Let me show you. Check it out. The Matura corn that I planted last time. See my coconut trees there. Like one there, one there, one there. Next coconut tree over there. I even see my plum branch start to sprout some tiny little sprouts. Are you seeing it? Alright, yeah. So far so good. I want to organize myself and start to plant all them rest of plants and see what the cleaning we could do. Inside look really almost exactly as I left it. I'll come through with my more industrial broom this morning, so I'm gonna make a pass through. Anyway, let me go and change my clothes and organize myself and see what I could do. See what I could get started with. There we go. What they saying, man? It's sun hot, it's sun blazing. We get through there. I tell all I needed was a more industrial broom. See, I come up with no push broom. Deal with the ground here. I got through with my plants. I'll take a walk around just to show the plants and them. I just breezing out a little bit. I'm back acting up a little bit. Alright, let me give you a tour of the plants. Let's see, where could we start? Let me start here. Coconut fern. I think it's a rice fern. I plant just now. Hold on. Oh yes, over here we have a lime. It's a lime tree. This one here is small leaf thyme, fine leaf thyme. Over here now, planted a big leaf thyme or Spanish thyme, however you want to call it. This one, next to my 2 rows of corn. Alright, I'll go back around. Yeah, my coconuts and them over there. So yeah, progress from what might be the world's tiniest forest in progress. I don't know. I just planting plants, you know what I mean? So far, they see me build tiny boat, I build tiny camper, fix a bicycle, motorbike, all kind of thing. So now we're gonna work on a tiny forest. My very own tiny forest. Taking some work though. Taking some work. But I nothing. Little bit we gonna get through. I don't know where this be. Little bit we gonna get through. With faith as a mustard seed.